Please don't skip this video, guys. A lot of people has been getting admission from this vocational school in Europe. This is a lifetime opportunity you don't want to miss. Okay, just dedicate your next 10 minutes to 11 minutes to watch this video. I won't be wasting your time. Any information you are getting from this video, I guarantee you is going to help you. Okay, I will advise you, please do well to watch this video from start to finish, because I'll be showing you things, how all those people that got the admission into this vocational school, how they did it and how they got their positive result. Please stick around, watch this video from start to finish, because this little information I'm going to share right now is going to help you. I want you also to testify. You can't be watching YouTube video without any result. The main reason why you click on this video because you want to travel out of your country. Okay, the only way to do that is to watch this video from start to finish, so you can be able to migrate with your family to any country of your choice. If you are not wasting your time as you are watching this video, it's a good move for you to watch this video. As far as you have clicked on this video, I guarantee you guys, God is going to open a way for you that I'm going to show you right now. You can't expect God to open way for you when you don't ask. Okay, please do well to like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other people as well. Okay, and also if you have any question, contribution, please leave it in the comment section below. I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can apply. Okay, the name of the vocational school right now is called Bamia. People are getting admission in this school. Stop playing, guys. People are getting admission. Don't just stay one place and say it's not working. So people, they will say the link is not opening. You can easily come here, type bamia.fin. Right now I want to be playing with you like I'm talking to you like my brothers. Okay, you guys are my brothers and my sisters, so I want the best for you. So I will advise you, please do well to apply as you see it. First of all, I'm going to show you all the requirements that is being needed. Okay, if you are able to meet the requirement, you can apply for it and you will be accepted. Okay, first of all, let me give you all the requirements. You take your time, gather the requirement, then apply. Trust me, guys, you are going to get your admission into this vocational school in Finland. Okay, if you have been watching my video, I talk a lot about vocational school. That is the easiest way to migrate to any country of your choice right now, because people are focusing on healthcare, university and all of that. Okay, how to apply. Entry requirement: general requirement in Finland vocational education at 501/2017. In continuous admission, all applicants regardless of age and background education are welcome to apply. You can apply to study for a vocational qualification. In continuous admission, the educational institution decide on the admission of students as well as the entrance test. The admission process follows equal selection criteria. What are the general requirements at Bamia? If you are able to meet all these requirements, trust me, guys, you are going to get your admission. Stop playing, stop wasting your time, stop watching YouTube videos here and there. Focus on what you want. Okay, watching this will not help you. That is the truth. I'm telling you the truth, and this is the real truth. This is all you need to know. Okay, watching YouTube videos from today till next tomorrow without making any move, it's not going to change your life, or it's not going to change your career. All you have to do, first of all, look for the school that you want to apply. If you are applying through vocational school on this channel, I always post vocational school on this channel. Look for the school that you are interested in applying. After that, check for the requirements. First of all, you check for the application deadline. After that, you check for the requirement. Once you have the requirement, then boom, you apply. As you apply, trust me, guys, you are going to get your admission. It's not playing. Okay, come down, let me show you the general requirement of Bamia. You have successfully, let me show you. It said you have the necessary qualification for studying in the field and completing a degree. That is your SSC, your WAEC, okay, your school cert, your secondary school result. Okay, you have an educational needs. That is, you are really coming here to study. You are not coming here because you just want to travel. You are motivated to study. You are suitable for the tasks in the field. And also you have sufficient health requirement for the chosen field, and you have adequate language proficiency for this field. Let's go furthermore. Specific requirement for English language vocational qualification programs, because the program is taught in English. Okay, we accept applicants of all nationalities into our English language education qualification programs. Okay, let me give you more. Come down. It said you have to be at least 18 years of age when study starts. There's no upper age limit. You have at least 18. You have at least qualification equivalent to finish basic education of 9 years, like I told you before, which is school start, secondary school, high school. Okay, you will need to scan or photo of your original certificate when you apply. Original certificate in English, Finnish or Swedish are accepted. Translated certificate in English, Finnish or Swedish need to be verified by public notary. You have successfully completed the English language proficiency test at least the minimum score required by the school. It's below. I'm going to show you. You have enough funds for living expenses on your account to be presented for immigration office for the resident permit. Note guys, this proof of fund is not required for your admission to be approved. Okay, proof of fund is not required for you to get an admission. What is required for you to get an admission is the requirements the school needs. Okay, you have a valid passport or personal ID card which is attached to the application. You need a passport. Without a passport you cannot travel. You cannot complete your application after the application period has closed. English test. Let me tell you about this English test. Okay, it's very important. Okay, every applicant needs to have either one of the following tests score submitted during applying. Please note that the test has to be valid at the time of applying. Duolingo English test. If you know you are afraid of IELTS, you can take Duolingo. I've made that video. Okay, share the description box below. I explain everything how you can take the test. Okay, it's free of charge and you are taking it in the comfort of your home. You are not going to any test center to take Duolingo test. It's an online test. Okay, it's just form of IELTS, but Duolingo is more easier and it's more faster, and you are getting your result within 2 days. Okay, Finland does not provide free voucher for taking the Duolingo test. Why Duolingo test is cheaper to IELTS? Because they want people to focus more on Duolingo test. Because Duolingo test is like it's a modern test whereby you don't need to go out to write. You are going to practice everything you need on the website. Everything is there online. You will practice there, you will take the test there, then they will send you your result. Okay, but if you already have IELTS general or academic training test minimum of 5.5 bound. On the Duolingo test, choose Vimeo as your school and send result and set the device to attach the application. Okay, it's simple and clear. Just follow these instructions, you will get your admission. When you are taking your Duolingo test, choose Vimeo. First of all, if you know you are ready right now, you want to take it, I will advise you, first of all, take your Duolingo test first. That's the first thing. The second thing, your results. That's your second thing, your school cert. Okay, and the third thing is your passport. After that, English language test cannot be waived. We do not accept any other test, diplomas or qualification as proof of language skills. Due to high volume of emails regarding this matter, we are unable to respond to inquiries related to this. starting from application run in August 2024. We will only accept Duolingo test as a language proficiency test. You still have enough time, okay? I will advise you between now and December, try to, if not even after December, between now and we are in October right now. I don't know the time you are seeing this video. We're in October right now. I will advise you between now and October ending, try to gather all your admission requirements, then you can apply. Okay, you apply, they will give you your response before November ends. It's not up to that time, but I'm just saying, okay, due to limited application procedure, let's say due to limited resources, we are limiting the number of applications to 500 per program. Please guys, I want you guys to be part of it, okay? Link to the application will be provided when applying is open. There is no fee for applying to Vamia. You are not paying anything for it. It's free of charge, okay? You are not paying for it, okay? You are not paying for it. Application fee is free because it's a vocational school. I know some vocational school they do take money, but Vamia is free of charge. Application period are organized twice a year. Next application start on 4th of December 2023 for the studies beginning in August 2024. Okay, right now they already gave you admission. I will advise you start applying. Start first of all, gather all your credentials first. That is the first thing you need to do. In this application period, it is only possible to apply for cook and waiter or waitress programs. Okay, it's an application period for mechanical fitter available on December 2024. Other programs are available from December 2024. Okay, he said you can apply. You can only apply to the one of the English program. Fill out the application form accurately. Upload all required documents while the application period is on. You will be notified by email when the application has been received. The admission result will be announced approximately 1 to 2 months after the application period is closed. All applicants will be informed whether they are selected or not. An admission letter will be sent to the selected new student. The admission letter includes information about the health document and how to apply for the resident permit. Okay, to begin to apply for the resident permit immediately in some countries, applying can take months. Okay, let's come down. Beginning of studies. Approximately 2 months before the studies begin, the new student will receive an email about the start of the studies. Visit a doctor in your home country to get the health document that will require. Before coming to Finland, send the result of laboratory test X-ray of lungs, thorax. Please note that you should not send the X-ray photograph. The doctor's statement to the school nurse arrive to Finland well in time before the studies begin. Okay, you have to go there on time. It's for your own good as well, so that you can be able to look for a job to also support yourself. Okay, I will advise you, once your resident permit is out, immediately pay for your flight ticket. Nobody will stop you from entering Finland. Okay, pay for your flight ticket and move to Finland immediately. You can start working, look for a job before your studies begin, so that you can be able to support yourself as well. Okay, so the first week will include orientation studies and practical information about the school. The school will provide the new student with appropriate uniform for kitchen and restaurant work or mechanical work. For students in restaurant and catering services, the following test is obligatory and will be taken in Vasa Samolena. Okay, leaving the link of this website in the description box below. Please do well to apply as you see this video. Okay, alright guys, don't forget to like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other people as well. And also, if you have any question or contribution, please do well to leave it in the comment section below. And also, if you have problem during your application, please let me know. Join my WhatsApp group so we can talk one-on-one. Okay. Alright guys, see you in my next video.